Remove dust and dirt with the soft side of your multi-brush tool, with gentle and long strokes. Remove stains and dots with the small rubber side of your multi-brush tool, vigorously rubbing the affected area. Shake the impermeabilizing protector and spray your shoes from 15 centimeters. Let dry for about 20 minutes. Gently brush again with the soft side of your multi-brush tool, following the direction of the suede. Spray the inside of your shoe with your hygienizer deodorant. Enjoy your Vaquero shoes!